Hello student, this is a Riemann-Diamond reaction. Riemann-Diamond reaction is a very important reaction for the question, for the you can say examination point of view. It is very important in the sense because it is on the board examination as well in the competition examination also. And sometimes even product is asked. Riemann-Diamond reaction is very important. That what is Riemann-Diamond reaction? When phenol, sodium hydroxide, phenol and sodium hydroxide, there are two reactions, phenol plus sodium hydroxide plus CHCl3. This is chloroform. When phenol reacts with the chloroform and sodium hydroxide, it is used for the basic medium. When phenol reacts with the chloroform and sodium hydroxide, it gives salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. It is the main product. In competition, sometimes only name of the product is asked. That is why you must know its importance. When phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide and carbon tetrachloride, in place of chloroform, when you use the carbon tetrachloride, then product is also different. Product becomes salicylic acid. This outline you can see. When phenol reacts with the chloroform and sodium hydroxide at 60 degrees Celsius, it forms the salicylaldehyde. When carbon tetrachloride is used in the place of chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, then salicylic acid is formed. You must know the product. It is important for the name reaction. Sometimes name reaction, it is asked in the name reaction. Name of the reaction is given in the question paper and you have to write the equations. Sometimes product is asked and you have to tell the name of the reaction. Now what is the reaction? You can write the equation in this way. This is phenol. This is phenol. And corner consists of CH. It reacts with the CHCl3. CHCl. In this way, this HCl is, now we get C, this is the aromatic ring. Now carbon, this one Cl and H, this is intermediate compound. Now it reacts with the two molecules of sodium hydroxide, NaOH, NaOH. What will happen? This NaCl. NaCl will be removed. 2 NaCl. Now OH, C, this is H. Now in place of Cl, OH will be bonded. But as usual, no two OH group cannot be bonded with the same carbon atom. That is why this water molecule will be liberated out. This is OH, now CHO. It is a salicylaldehyde. This is salicylaldehyde. This is phenol, CHCl. This is chloroform. And two molecules of sodium hydroxide is used. Water molecule is liberated out because two OH group cannot be bonded to the same carbon atom and you will get salicylaldehyde. When we use the carbon tetrachloride, then salicylic acid is formed. When carbon tetrachloride is used, salicylic acid is formed. But how the reaction takes place? Phenol NaCl. This is carbon tetrachloride. Same thing takes place here. HCl. Now this is OH. This carbon will bonded with this carbon atom. Cl. Now 3 molecules of sodium hydroxides are used. Sodium hydroxide. This way 3 NaCl are removed. OH, COH. Now what will take place? Water molecule is removed because even 2 molecules of OH cannot be attached with the same carbon atom. Here 3 OH groups. How can they bond it with the 3 carbon with the carbon atom? H2 is removed, and you will get this is OH. This is COOH. It is salicylic acid. You have to revise both the reactions very